Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix high system storage on Samsung Galaxy A15. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here click on device care. And then scroll down and click on storage. Now in storage clear the app data and cache memory of device care. Now here click on clear data and then go back to settings. Now in settings click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update. And then click on download and install to update your mobile software. And after updating go back to settings and click on general management. And then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings and enter your lock screen password.